Hey, my wonderful and my beautiful people, your babe don't come again. Your babe, your babe, your babe, your lovely babe. He don't show like show star, like show babe, like show babe. So today na ogbono, better ogbono soup. Now we want it start the matter so this one na my already boiled assorted meat. I had stockfish. I come put dry fish because the dry fish all the water don dry for im body, e come strong like hammerhead of oil. So I boil am with the pressure pot, everything come soft wey be say if you put am for mouth e go dey melt. So make we start how to cook ogbono soup for those my lovely people wey be say ogbono soup na their favourite, and if dem cook am the thing no dey dissolve finish for inside the pot, e go come dey like ball 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 ball. Ma show you the method wey you go use. Na two method I sabi o, but make I show you one today. The second method na for another day. Make una gather carry your popcorn, make I show una how dem dey take cook better ogbono soup, the Akwa Ibom oron girl. So I don put my pot for fire, make the pot dry, then I go come add in my palm oil. Make una no mind me o, everytime I go say dis girl she wan cook palm oil food, na so everytime dey bring dis yellow rubber wey dey use black nylon cover am. You know when your papa business na palm oil business im dey do, sometimes e go just dey roja you some kind better palm oil wey dey pure. So na so the matter dey. I no dey buy, if not I for dey buy all the ones wey dem don company don do, dem don package am for fancy bottle. So make una dey jollificate with me with the way I dey carry my cellophane and my palm oil all the way from Akwa Ibom State. Na im dis palm oil take come land for here for my house. So this one, oh, if you taste am you no go wan taste another one. So I don go in with my palm oil for pot. Hope say una dey see am. So na the palm oil be that. I don go in with the palm oil. So now I go in with the onion. You know say me I no dey like bleach my oil if I wan cook soup, so that I go fit still retain the nutrients of the oil. I no dey like bleach my oil, so make I add the onion. I go remain this one. Me I dey like fresh onion for food. When the soup don done, I go come add this one, the aroma of the food. In this one go come make the aroma of the soup dey scent everywhere, sama for everywhere. Make the onion fry a little. So this one na my ogbono, na im be this. Na this quantity I wan use. I no wan cook too much make e no too overstay for house, for freezer. If I need I go just cook fresh one. So make I add am for the oil. Na so dem dey take do ogbono wey be say if you cook am e go dissolve finish. You no go come dey see am say e be like say you cook ogbono soup. E go come be like say na meat ball na you dey eat and no be ogbono soup. And me I no dey like make I dey chop ogbono soup come dey see ogbono dey robo inside, because the method, and this method wey you use cook am, e go make the ogbono done well. E no go worry you for belle when you dey chop am. So now I wan go in with small crayfish wey I pound for mortar and small fresh pepper, make e fry small, make give me the fried crayfish scent aroma. Then I go add in a little locust beans, fry am, no be all, so that the other one I go add am later. Una dey see the method. Fry small crayfish, no fry all. The other one you go turn am, then the locust beans fry small, no fry all. Then my Cameroon pepper I go take a little, take put for inside soup. make it fry small so that it will give me that scent. I don't add small. I don't want add too much because already I don't add take boil meat. Then I still pan normal red fresh pepper for mortar with crayfish. So the process not to add water. So now make it dey boil. When e don boil, I will come turn the meat and everything inside. Make the ogbono boil first, done first. So I go leave am like this, make e boil. Then later I go come add in the other things. So now the next stage, wetin I wan do now na to dey add the already boiled assorted meat, stockfish, dry fish inside the soup. The soup don boil to the level wey I want am. So make I add the stockfish inside and the assorted meat and dry fish. So I go come turn all the water of the, make I look first. I fit no turn all. I no dey like make I cook ogbono e come dey watery. I dey like the slimy part of the ogbono, make e dey very well. So I go check how the slimy area dey, so that I go know the quantity of the stock of wetin I go add today. I no dey like my ogbono too dey I dey like am make e dey more slimy. So that as you dey put your swallow, e go dey sit well, e go dey go well. So I no dey like am too dey watery. So I fit leave this stock. Maybe when I wan cook any other thing, I go just take any other soup I go take put for inside. No wan make it too dey watery. So now at least you dey see how the ogbono dey turn out to be. This is how I like my ogbono. See am say no any ogbono inside wey be say you dey say e be like ball, e no dissolve for inside the water finish. This method no go fit let am dey like that. So now I go in with the periwinkle and the iru. Why I no add salt and maggi, I tell una, as I boil the assorted meat, I don already put those things inside take boil am with pepper. I don already season my meat when I boil am. So I no wan make maggi and salt my food come dey too much maggi salt. I no dey like am. So that's why I no add any other thing. So wetin I dey add now na the periwinkle. So the next thing wey I go add na the iru. Now I wan add so. Then the uziza leaf, once I add am, I don drop the soup down. I no dey like my vegetable dey overcook. I dey still dey like dey get the nutrient for my vegetable. So that's why I dey put am last. I think the soup don dey over thick, so I fit still add small stock water. Make I test am see the maggi and the salt how e carry am reach, so that I know what to do next. E don dey okay o. I no dey like too much of salt for food. E don dey okay. at least crayfish dey inside, and locust beans dey, so e don dey okay to meal. E don dey okay. I no want too much salt o, make e no come dey salt salt. So now the soup don do reach as I take want am. At least the periwinkle I no want make overdone, and the iru I no dey like overcook my things when I dey cook food. So e don boil reach. So now the process now na to add this fresh uziza leaf wey I slice so. So now I go just add am, turn am, come off the gas, so that the nutrient of the leaf go still dey for me. I no want make e overcook. If you get bitter leaf, you fit still use bitter leaf cook your ogbono, e dey fine too. But me, I want uziza. I no wan use bitter leaf, that's why I use uziza leaf. Bitter leaf too still dey fine. So now the onion, I go off the gas, come add the onion, so e go come make the food get one fresh aroma taste. Na so I dey like am. I dey like fresh onion inside my food. Even na my rice, I go slice am, use am garnish am on top when the rice don done. So na so my life dey o. Me, I no dey like come eat something, the thing, wetin I forget for the thing, I don cook am finish. So that's why una dey see me I dey do like this. Nothing dey go to waste o. Una know say the world no easy o. So no go dey let forming go dey form come dey throway wetin you no suppose throway. Nothing is going to waste. Forming no go kill some kind people. So now our soup don ready, and the aroma is inviting. The aroma is calling with this fresh onion wey I just put so. E dey give me wetin I want. The aroma is inviting, is calling. It's calling me, come and eat me, come and eat me. So make I fresh put for plate, make I go take chop better swallow. So I get plate here, make I fresh put for inside. Make I carry the shaki first, where the other one, then add the other. You know say na everything for inside na assorted. I wan make the assorted complete. So the stock fish and the dry fish make I fresh put, so that as I dey eat the food dey go, I go dey pinch am small. E go dey make the thing dey make sense. You no go dey make am say e just dey only am. So my people, make una see the ogbono soup o. E don ready o. Carry your swallow come o. Carry your swallow come o. See you. Bye o.